Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Valrico Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long distance relocations are very complicated. We provide high quality services that are also efficient, secure, and cost effective. We can shorten the time of your relocation with the assistance of our experienced experts without jeopardizing the cargo's safety. We also have insurance to protect your belongings during the trip. We'll take good care of your things and make sure they reach the specified destination securely. Even though our services are of the highest quality, they are nevertheless highly cheap. As a result, you won't have to worry about overpaying with us. A local move is less tasking than a long-distance relocation. However, this does not eliminate the need for thorough planning. To undertake such a relocation, you must still consider logistical and legal constraints. You must also ensure that you properly pack your things to withstand the stresses of the trip. This is where we step in to make sure your relocation goes well. Many individuals will try to make the transfer personally, since it is a nearby one. While this is admirable and appropriate in some situations, it creates severe difficulties in others. These concerns vary from transportation challenges to the property's timeliness and safety. When you entrust your relocation to us, you eliminate the possibility of problems. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Valrico Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.